Hello HipKit friends, it's Antonia here today with my first process video made with the January 2025 HipKit releases. And for this layout I'm using the main kit, the embellishment kit, the pattern paper kit and the Pocket Life paper pack. So as you can see, I made a start off camera just to make the process video a little bit shorter. And for this layout, I'm focusing on the little envelopes that came in the embellishment kit. I already pre-prepared the envelopes, as you can see, but instead of using 9 envelopes, I'm using 18 envelopes to document the first 18 birthdays of my daughter. So basically what I've done is that I used the papers from the January Pocket Life paper pack and I traced around the envelopes from the embellishment kit, and then I fussy cut around the trace lines, and this way I created an extra set of envelopes. And what I found was that the Pocket Life paper pack was absolutely perfect for this purpose, because all the patterns on it are scaled down, so they were just perfect for the little envelopes. And also what I did find with this month's 6x8 papers is that the A and the B sides have different patterns on, as opposed to previously it would be the same. In many cases it would be the same pattern, just different color combination. So this just allowed me to use a different pattern for each envelope, because I could use both the A and the B side for the outside of the envelopes. So I'm using 18 envelopes. My daughter isn't 18 yet, so not all the envelopes going to be filled. And also one of the photos I'm using is a recent photo of her, but obviously not made on her 18th birthday. So once she turns 18 and I take a nice photo of her, I will be replacing it. But I just wanted to create this layout while I remembered what I wanted to do with it. And the inspiration to this layout was the little set of envelopes. So the rest of the layout is quite self-explanatory. So I'm just going to put some music on and let you watch the process video. So here are some of the close-ups of my completed layout. I hope you find my process video inspiring. Be sure to keep checking back to our YouTube channel as we upload process videos daily. And you can also check out our friendly Facebook group for further inspiration. And if you decide to subscribe to our monthly kits, you will receive a saving on the main kit, further discounts for add-on kits, and you will get free access to all of our cut files. Thanks for watching, bye now!